In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit styles in Figma. To get started, open your browser and log into your Figma account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your recent files and projects. Take a moment to find the specific project where you want to update a style. This could be a design system file, a product design file, or any document where you've already set up styles. Click to open that project, and Figma will bring you into the editor view. Inside the editor, you'll see your canvas in the center, with your layers panel on the left and your properties panel on the right. Now, before you do anything else, click on an empty or blank area of the canvas. The reason we do this is to make sure nothing is selected, so the right-hand panel shows your global document properties and styles instead of settings for a specific layer. When nothing is selected, you'll see sections for things like color styles, text styles, and effect styles in that right sidebar. Look through the list of styles until you find the one you want to edit. You can hover your mouse over each style name to confirm you're on the right one. When you hover over a style, a small settings or edit icon will appear next to it. Go ahead and click that icon. As soon as you click it, a small pop-up or sidebar will appear, usually near the style name. This is where you can edit everything related to that style. You can change the style name, which is useful if you're cleaning up your naming convention or making the name more descriptive so your teammates can easily understand how to use it. You can also update the description field. This is a great place to explain when this style should be used, or to add notes for your team, like use this for primary buttons or body text for paragraphs. In the same pop-up, you can adjust the style's properties. For a color style, that might mean changing the color values. For a text style, you can tweak the font family, size, weight, line height, or letter spacing. Make whatever adjustments you need. Figma will automatically apply these changes wherever that style is used across your file, keeping everything consistent. There's no separate save button you need to click. Figma auto-saves your style changes as you make them. So once you're done editing, you can simply close the pop-up or click back on the canvas. And that's it. You've successfully edited a style in Figma.